Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking my video. So today I am going to be showing you the process I take when making texture of a skin. I recently started my journey in hyper-realistic paintings, and so far it's been fun. I'm still quite getting the hang of it though, but this is a step I take when making details on skin. So first of all, what I'm actually doing is called skin mapping. Yeah, it's like drawing out the skin texture. But don't worry, I'm going to give you a closer view of how it looks. So, first of all, since she's dark skinned, my choice of colors are burnt sienna and raw ember, and a touch of red. You need patience to accomplish realistic paintings. Like, a lot of time is actually invested and put into artwork. So, whoever is about to start the journey of being a realistic painter, you have to have patience. Anyway, I hope this video gives an insight of how realistic paintings are being made. At least give a little bit of insight, because every artist has his own way and style which they approach such paintings. This is a close-up view of the skin mapping process. It takes an awful amount of time to make, so do not mind the length of the video. It took ages to get to this point. So anyway, this is a close-up view of the mapping and how it's going to look. So you just have to take your time when creating it. This is a really long process, so I'm going to put it on time lapse. We'll be back in a few seconds. Back, and so far so good. It's looking quite catchy. So now we are going to start applying the highlights, or should I say the skin poses. So that's what I'm actually gonna do. For those of you that are still watching, thank you so much for the support. It means a lot to me. Enjoy the rest of the video, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, follow, share. Until next time, bye.